Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how you can build your very own personal assistant in ChatGPT. Yes, an AI assistant to do absolutely everything that you don't want to do. So let's dive in. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's start unlocking this 3-minute plan. So your productivity can be increased by creating a custom AI assistant that is perfectly tailored to your unique needs and your workflow. It can transform how you work with intelligent automations that understands you. So certain things that you must note is it is a simple point and click setup using ChatGPT's intuitive interface, which means there's no coding experience required. It's perfect for managing tasks, email scheduling, and complex workflows instantly, and it adapts to your industry, your role, and your personal preferences seamlessly, which means it's fully customizable. Here is our 3 quick steps to creating your AI assistant. So, first of all, it would be a good idea to upgrade to ChatGPT's Plus. You can access it and you can build your custom assistant with $20. It is essential for the advanced capabilities and faster processing. Then name your assistant and provide clear instructions. Specify if it's an email responder, a scheduler, content creator, or a research analyst. Then add relevant documents, templates, or knowledge bases. Upload your company's guidelines, writing samples, or any reference material that'll make it a whole lot easier. Here's a pro tip. Test and refine your assistant immediately after creation. Ask it sample questions to ensure responses match your expectations. The last thing now is to start now and transform your workflow. If you are ready to begin, go and visit their website, navigate to the Explore GPTs, click on Create New GPT to start building. Choose from any pre-built templates or build a completely new AI assistant from scratch. You can deploy it immediately and start delegating tasks immediately. This can save you tons of time. There are tons of people doing this. And if you're not at this stage using AI to do automations in your daily work life, then you are going to be left behind. So go ahead and give it a go and let us know in the comment section how it works out.